It's cold outside, so let's go ahead and make some shrimp and corn chowder. Let's go! First, we're going to take in unsalted butter. Now adding in all-purpose flour to start making a roux. Cloves of garlic goes right in. Fresh thyme goes in next, give this a nice mix. From here, adding in 2-3 cups of milk. Half and half goes in next. Whisk this so everything has been combined. Now adding in cups of canned corn and cream style corn. Cayenne pepper, black pepper, and chives to finish. Brown some bacon on the side and parboil some shrimp so that it does not become overly cooked. Serving this with Carl Joseph Riesling, petrol aroma mixed with florals, palate of pear, ripe pineapple, off dry white wine. From the Mosel region. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes, and I hope you have a good day now. You hear? Bye-bye!